friends, welcome back to my channel Arty Crafty. In today's video I'm going to show you another Valentine greeting card for your Valentine. For that we need craft paper, quilling strips, cardstock, pro circle, scissor, quilling needle, glue and satin ribbon. So let's start. So I have folded this cardstock and now we'll take this quilling strips. Glue these two strips together. Let it dry. We'll start making a coil. We need a big coil. I have taken 2 strips here. You can take as many as you want, as big heart you want. I will do in this big pro circle. Just to open it up. Let it dry. See, I have made this too, and now we'll make a teardrop shape. And we'll stick this together to make a heart. Just hold it and let it dry. See, now it is dry. Now we'll apply glue. I'll take another strip. Press it in the middle. Secure. You can press it with needle. Cut this excess strip and just glue it. Hold and let it dry. See, I have made these 3 hearts, 2 big and 1 small. So we'll stick on this now. I'll take a thread and just cut according this thread here. So I'll glue this heart here. Glue the threads. See, I have glued the threads. Now I'll glue the hearts. Just apply. See that the thread is in the middle. Satin ribbon and we'll stick here. Apply glue. Stick on this. Just press it. Another line of satin ribbon. Now cut it and let it dry. See, I have cutted this craft art, so I'll stick it on the thread. Just apply glue. Sentiment. This I have written for you. Just stick it over here. Apply glue. You can stick more hearts. Here. It's just optional how you want to decorate your card. So I'll stick this 2 hearts here. So here it is. I'll stick this card. Decorate however you want. See this lovely card for Valentine's Day. and it is unique. You can write the sentiments in, and I hope you like my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel Arty Crafty.